What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode. On this episode right here, I'm going to show you guys how to use Facebook to find not only winning products, but also winning ads that are already running. And at the end of the day, when you're making a Shopify store, when you're making an e-commerce store, a lot of times you don't have to always just go with a brand new product. A lot of the data is already out there to show you what's selling and what's not. Sometimes you really just don't got to reinvent the wheel. There's nothing wrong with coming to market with a new unique product. If you can find something in a beauty niche or something like that that is unique, you do stand a lot of chances. But once again, people will tell you what they want. Data is out there, and that's what I'm going to show you guys today. But before we jump into the thick of it, what you guys see first and foremost on your screen right here is my clothing line, Ambitious Minds. If you guys like the gear, if you support the movement, if you're an entrepreneur, this gear right here is for you. But yeah, let's jump up into it real quick and let's knock it out and let's learn a thing or two. So everything that I'm going to show you guys again today will be for Shopify here. And if you guys didn't know, Shopify has a 14-day free trial. And what you can typically do is do your back-end research. And you'll hear me say it a lot that the money is in the back-end research. By understanding your product, understanding your market and your customer, and then building your store, you'll be ahead of the game. Because with 14 free days, you should be able to get a store up within 4 or 5 of them, if even less than that. Get ads up and running and be making your sales before these 14 days is up, and that can cover and it can wash itself, and this can be a free store almost to a degree. But the products that you're going to look for are going to be here on AliExpress. And if you guys aren't familiar with Shopify or AliExpress, please check out my other videos. I got a full length tutorial on how to start a free Shopify store from start. I also have a video up on how to run winning Facebook ads, as well as finding products on AliExpress. So first and foremost, while you're here, we can always look at these areas, and this is going to show you a lot. These are things that are selling already, and just looking at the site, I'd always come here and check these out, like I told you guys before in other videos, and just see what's on here, see what they show you. Just looking at this right now, I know this is a win. We know this is a win. How would we know this? Here goes another win. This is just from my previous knowledge, but what you can do is you can use Facebook. And Facebook, we could go here and we could search LED mask. So what do we see here when we search LED mask? We see all kind of videos, treatment for this being $333. Now, as we see, this is $333 just from the title line, and what do we see it on here for? $8.24. But when you're searching for products here on AliExpress, you always want to make sure you try to find the U.S. Suppliers rather than the Chinese supplier. As I make this video, it's January 27th, and Chinese New Year is still in full effect, and this is putting a hole in a lot of people's stores right now. They're getting a lot of upset customer service emails and things of that nature. But you can always use Facebook. Facebook will always show you the data, will show you the ads, and as we can see here, we probably want to jump into 2020 or 2019 down here. If you guys see that, the year, date posted, and it's going to show you a lot of the ads and stuff that's running. And what we'd be looking for here, is stuff with comments and lots of engagement. Typically we know if there's a lot of engagement, a lot of interaction, more likely they're running ads. And rule of thumb is if they are running ads, it costs money to run ads, right? So another thing that you can do on Facebook to find winning products on here is type in things like 50% off, free shipping, I need this, I want that. And that's what it's going to show you. It's going to show you. So first and foremost, here's 50% off. This is 2019. And what we can do here is look at this ad, and we can see it's a beard straightening comb. And what does this have? 3.6K of engagement, 2.4K comments, 954 shares. So we know this is popping. But one way to see if this is still going and still making a lot of money is actually to go to their store. And when you actually go here, what you can find is not only other winning products, but you can see if they're really making money or not with running these ads. So looks like December 3rd, 2019, July 3rd, don't look like they've been too interactive, but nonetheless, they have a huge following. What we'll want to focus on here, though, when we get to these Facebook pages to see the ads that they're running, is this section right here. And this is page transparency. So what we'll do is we'll click on see more, And what it's going to show us is all the information of this page, summary, page history, people who manage this. But right now, we're not worried about any of that information. We're worried about this section, ads from this page. This page is not currently running any ads. So, you know, is the product a winner? I would say yes, but they probably didn't market it right. And that's where, 9 out of 10 businesses fail, is marketing it wrong. But, here goes another winner right here. It's Valentine's Day coming up here. Here's a great idea. And just knowing that and seeing that right now and sparking that thought, let's go to AliExpress. And one thing I know that always used to sell too is the Care Bear roses. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these before, but here's a great example of a product that you could drop ship from a U.S. supplier and make a reasonable amount of money on it. But let's see here. And one thing, when you guys are searching on AliExpress, make sure you guys always use this stuff right here. So we can see orders, best match, newest, shipped from United States. So this will weed out a lot of stuff right here. And as we see, here goes some Care Bears, some Valentine's Day. So here's the Care Bear roses that I was looking for. And once again, we'll hit the orders. And here are the Care Bear roses. And as you guys can see, let's take a glance at it. Here we have a product that's shipping for no more than $4. Free shipping to the United States. Unfortunately, though, this is what's going to kill you. This is behind Valentine's Day. This is why you want to find U.S. suppliers. So let's hop out of here. Let's go back here to United States. And let's see what we can find here when we type in roses. So it's going to show us all these different things. And here is our Care Bear rose right here. So, for some reason, they must have different variations, for the price being the price. But, you have two, you have one. Say we wanted to go with this one right here, and this is shipping from all these different places. We'll say United States, and this is still not going to get there, so that's unfortunate. Usually, you can search these suppliers. That's what I would do. I'd go through all these and find a supplier that can make it on time. But here's one that we see that's great: $3.85, $5.19. We want to ship from the United States, and we've got action here. Now, if you see, this is $5 plus $3 estimated delivery, 4 to 7. We've got a winner right here. So here is our Care Bear rose, and as we can see, it's $5 plus $3. They have all these different colors. We can jump over here to Google and see the same damn Care Bear rose for almost 40 bucks right here. So let's load this up. Let's take a glance at it. Looks like a Shopify store. They said it's marked down from $129 to $39.99. And it looks like a great site. This stuff is perfect inside the product page. And let's take a glance though and actually see if we can find a social media page, because usually on the website you find social media, but they don't have it. So we could go back over here to Facebook and search for them, Rose Bear Forest, right, and see if we can find it, but they're not on here. So what we can do is go back to Google where we were at before, and where it says Care Bear roses, we're going to add plus my Shopify. And this is going to show you all the Shopify stores that have Care Bear roses. So what we'll do is we'll scroll down here and we'll see if we can find any. And it's interesting that none of these pop up, even though I can find them on here. Maybe it's the wording that I have, but as you guys can see, here's Rose Bear, give the gift. So here again is the exact same bear that we just saw, but the brown one. 2019 top rated Valentine's gift. So this is an old page. Let's see if we can find some social media and see if they have a social media page. When they do, you can follow into it, but as we see, a lot of these, they're not having it. But here's Rose Bear. Let's take a glance at this one. And here we are again with the same bear. They're asking almost 48 bucks for it. They got reviews, they got all the good stuff in here, and bam, we've got a Facebook. So let's take a glance at this, shall we? So we'll pull this up. Fantasy Jewelry Online, only 106 people. Doesn't look like, they got too much stuff popping. Page kind of looks abandoned, so I'm going to say that they're not running ads. But let me give you guys an example of, of a store that you can see some ads on. And if you guys don't follow this page, this is a good page to follow. They have a lot of great products that they can be found on drop shipping, stuff like AliExpress, bring the party with you guys. And, you see the engagement is bananas, 79K, 12K. You know, all these things have different products here on these, and you know, here goes a party in your roof for your car, and this was just posted January 22nd. So what we'll do is we'll go over here again to the page transparency here, and this is going to show us all the stuff about the page again. So remember, summary, page history. We're not worried about none of that stuff. We're worried about ads from this page. This page is currently running ads, so let's go check them out. So it's going to show us all the ads that the page actually has right now. So this ad right here has been running since August 22nd, 2019. So we know this is a winner right here, and it's a baby squeeze bottle. And here, you know, you press the video. Here goes another one. If this blow dryer here, if there's blow drying your hair takes forever in the morning, this will help dry so fast. August 22nd. So these are tons of winning products, as you guys can see, and they've been running ads on these since the 22nd. So you can guarantee the store is making a lot of money. But you know, this is one way, as well as going over here to Shopify, Google, as we've done before, and just adding this plus Shopify, My Shopify, and it'll show you all the different products. But you know, Facebook is going to be the place that you want to do all your research on, and you're going to be able to find these products, and then you just go back over here to AliExpress and find the products and find them from a U.S. supplier and find them for a price. But as we can see right here, I mean, look, here goes the bear for you know, $5 plus $3 shipping, and it's getting to the U.S. within 4 to 7 days. And you know, people are selling these things for 40 bucks, and Valentine's Day is just around the corner. So thank me later. I just gave you guys a winning product, if not multiple ones that you guys can actually use and replicate. But you know, for a product like this, I wouldn't have too many items in the store at all. I'd build a store just around this product, and then I would market it via Facebook, Instagram, and things of that nature. I would target couples. I would target people in relationships. I would target Valentine's, things of that nature. And you know, a lot of women are going to be your customers for this, more than likely. You know, men probably too. But you know, that's what you would do, is you'd run your ads to multiple ad sets, and you take that data and find out, are men reacting more to it, are women reacting more to it. And you know, when you're aiming for both men and women separately, your ad copy right here, this stuff, you want to make sure all this stuff is differently, because you're going to talk to a man and a woman differently. So you know, this is another thing too. I was going to bring it with you guys and show you that e-com hunt. You know, you guys can spend $20 and they'll show you products that are winning, so you guys can get an idea. And they're pretty damn good, because you know, they show you the profit margin on all that stuff as well. As you guys can probably see right here, profits, analytics. You know, this is a good way to go about it. Only 20 bucks. But you know, you can always find winning ads too, and just keep your eyes and your ears open. And once again, when you use Facebook, remember, you know, use keywords up here and search for free shipping. Search for I want this, I need this, 50% off, things of that nature. And do that daily, weekly, monthly, until you find some winning products. You know, the stuff isn't rocket science, and there is no secret code to e-commerce. It's basically building a trustworthy website, giving a solution to your customer, and running a real business. You know, you don't usually have to sell something. People want this stuff, and Facebook is great for impulse buys. So, you know, I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this video. If you did, please make sure you drop a comment below. Let me know what your takeaway from this video was. If you guys got any questions or anything like that, hit me on the Instagram, shoot me a message, or drop a comment below. I always respond. Try to bring you guys more content. You know, if you guys got ideas to videos that I should do, drop those in the comments too. And you know, I hope to see you guys win this year, man. I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of people watch these videos, make a lot of money, and be prosperous in everything they do. So much love from my side, and I'm out. If you like this video right here, please show some love and hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe and notification button to stay updated for the latest videos. New videos will be dropping Thursday, 9 p.m. Mountain Time, so please stay tuned.